In a world where clean water is essential and demand keeps rising, sachet water is more than a necessity. It's actually a booming business. But how do you build a successful sachet water brand? And more importantly, how do you market it to stand out? Hello family, it's your boy Nick Asa. In today's video, we are looking at how you'll be able to build a successful sachet water brand. Stay tuned to this channel. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section and give this video a massive thumbs up. Let's just dive in. Hello people, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Nick Asa, and today we are diving into how to build a sachet water brand, and I'm going to give you a step-by-step marketing strategy to help you dominate your local market. Step number 1, start with your brand identity. This includes your name, logo, packaging design, and your brand story. Your brand should be able to communicate these three things: accessibility, trust, and purity. Your brand should actually reach masses of people. You should be able to gain or earn customers' trust, and also your water must be clean and pure enough. In the case of Ghana, it is advisable to always choose multiple names during registration in order not to stumble on already existing brand. One of your chosen names will eventually click. Choose a name that's easy to remember and easy to print on sachet. Also, do not underestimate packaging. A clean professional design helps customers trust your water, especially in a competitive market. Step number 2, invest in high quality production. Ensure your water meets national health and safety standards. Consistency in taste and purity builds trust and customer loyalty. Make sure to get certified by your local health agencies. Display the seal on your sachet. In the case of Ghana, FDA approval number. Step number 3 is your brand visibility. In getting your brand to be known on the market, you could think of using branded umbrellas, t-shirts, and delivery bikes. Think of turning your distribution network into moving billboards. It could also be any other thing that you have designed remarkably that your workers could put on. The next thing to talk about is social media presence. This is one platform that you can utilize for your exhibition. You can think of using Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to create awareness, or you can also decide to create behind the scene videos, customer story, and educational content about clean water to get your brand known on the market. You can also think of partnership. You can also build partnership with offices, schools, event organizers, and delivery companies. Try to offer bulk deals, and this will help go a long way to promote your brand name. So the last thing I want to talk about is to monitor and grow. At this point, all you're doing is to track your progress. Which areas are selling most? Which strategy is working for you? Which promotion worked? You can use this data to review your progress and keep growing. Okay, so building a sachet water brand isn't all about clean water, but also clean strategy. Stay focused, stay consistent, and your brand can become a household name. Okay family, so this is all I have for you for today. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can drop a comment in the comment section with your brand name and any other questions or concerns that you have. See you in another wonderful video.